So hi guys, I'm going to make green curry, very simple green curry. So I have a green curry paste. I use this My Ploy brand. This is no MSG, and I have 2 chicken breasts that have cubed, rather large cube, and they are done. And I have coconut milk. I have zucchini from the garden. I peel it and cube it, 2 little zucchinis, and I have eggplants from the garden, and also green bean, purple bean, yellow bean from the garden, and also I have Thai basil from my garden as well. And then what is this one? Cilantro from my garden. I have plenty of cilantro, and then chili pepper from my garden. Since the zucchini will take a little bit longer to cook, I'll put the zucchini first, and also eggplant. Okay. This is instant green curry, and if you eat green curry in Thai restaurant, they're spendy, and yeah, especially in these days, you eating out is quite a bit. If you want to save and cook at home and experience, see if you like it, and you can always change your recipe. There you go. And this is a green bean and purple bean and yellow bean. I don't cut the tips. I'm gonna eat it ourselves for us, my family. I don't really make it fancy, as long as it's clean and they are from organic garden, so that is gonna be delicious. The eggplant is rather overdue, so the seeds are turning brown. I have been really busy, so I didn't have the time to pick the eggplant on time. So you want to put the basil last one, because you don't want it to be too overcooked, yeah? Okay. And the cilantro, you can use it for garnish and also flavor. Actually, if you know this green curry, they use a cilantro roots, so you can see this little fiber. So the flavor is rich of cilantro and just really wonderful. I am not Thai person, but my mouth is watered. When I lived in Thailand for a year, the original Thai food, oh, so good, so good. Okay. And I put this pepper. I don't know why this one looks like this, a little dried. This pepper I planted in my garden as well. I washed it already. So if you cut it up, the spices will come out. It will be too spicy for my son, and I don't want it to be too spicy for him, so I just, you know, put it a whole. If I want to eat it later for myself, I can just, you know, have it. And now it's time to put the curry paste. It's really easy, and usually if it's not in the summertime, I usually use vegetables that are available during the season. So sometimes I even put apple, cut up apple, cabbage. Cabbage is very affordable, so you could use cabbage as well. There you are. I'm gonna have it cook for a little bit. What's so funny is, like, the purple bean, once you cook it, it turns into green. It's almost like magic. Magic bean. Okay, we'll let it cook for a little bit, and then we'll put the coconut milk and the basil after that. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Ooh, look at the vegetable. turn down the fire a little bit. There's the chicken and the beans. So now we want to put a little bit of sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. 2 tablespoons. Oh, tablespoon, no. 2 teaspoons. There you go. And now it's time to put the coconut milk. This is canned coconut milk, and I have used it for other thing. And this is left over. Sorry, I'm holding the camera on my other hand. See how much coconut milk we need. Now we put the basil. The basil makes it really pretty because it has this greenish curry. It's called green curry, I suppose. It makes it really greenish, and the aroma is just so delicious. Oh, it makes me miss Thailand. We don't have any Thai restaurant close by. I think we could use a little bit more of coconut oil, coconut milk if you like. How you like it, thick or light. Even coconut milk, it comes in a different type. There's a light coconut milk. This is just a regular, the organic coconut milk. I like to use the Aroidi brand. That's the organic one. There you are. We'll let it boil for a couple more minutes. So it's been a couple minutes. Let's check. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna taste it. It tastes so good. Could use a little bit of salt, and it is spicier than I thought. I don't know how my son is gonna handle that. My husband could handle spicy. There you go. It is so delicious. Turn on the fire, and I will show you guys what it looks like in the serving bowl. And the chicken. Hello. Yep, it's a little spicier than I thought.